Hello everyone, I am R. Ramya, 3rd BCom C, KCS Cosinodo College of Arts and Science, Department of Commerce. Today we are going to see about the income tax law and practice. In that, Unit 4, deduction from gross total income. Taxable income. Taxable incomeனா என்னென்ன இன்கம் டாக்ஸபிளாக இருக்குது அதுதான் taxable income. Computation of net taxable income for an individual. Particulars: amount, salary income, income from house property, business income or provisional gain, capital gain, income from other sources. We get gross total income less deduction under section 80C to 80U. We get net total income. This is the format for computation of net taxable income for an individual. Next, we are going to see about the meaning of deductions. Deductions allowed under the Income Tax Act help an individual to deduct the taxable income. There are number of deduction available under various sections that will brings down the taxable income. Let us discuss some of the important deductions under chapter 6A. Deduction 80C to 80U that taxpayer can claim. இந்த டிடக்ஷனில் 80Cலேருந்து 80U வரைக்கும் என்னென்ன டேக்ஸ்லாம் கிளைம் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றத தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். டிடக்ஷன் அண்டர் செக்ஷன் 80C டு 80E இது வரைக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். டிடக்ஷன் அண்டர் செக்ஷன் 80C. நேச்சர் ஆஃப் டிடக்ஷன்: பேமெண்ட் டு LIC premium, SPF, PPF, RPK, NSC, UTI, NABARD, repayment of housing loan term, deposit with bank, 5-year scheme deposit, tuition fees, deferred annuity, superannuation fund, group insurance, ULIP, LIC own, spouse and children policy, actual premium or 10% of sum assurance, whichever is less, is qualifying. This is the nature of deduction for under section 80C. Now, amount deductible in 80C is total qualifying amount on whichever is less rupees 1,50,000. HUF income is exempted. Next, deduction under section 80CC. Nature of deductions: pension scheme of LIC or any other institution. This is the nature of deduction for 80CC. Next, amount deductible in 80CC is actual amount whichever is less rupees 1,50,000. Next deduction is deduction under section 80CCD1. Nature of deductions: pension scheme of central government. This is the nature of deduction for 80CCD1. Amount deductible in 80CCD1 is employees contribution or 10% of salary, whichever is less. Next, deduction under section 80CCD1B. Nature of deductions for 80CCD1B: amount deposit to rational provision pension scheme account and Nalta pension Yojana, 80C, 80CCC, 80CCD1, 80CCD1B not exceed rupees 50,000 for all. This is the nature of deductions. Next, amount deductible in 80CCD1B. Amount invested 100 is rupees 50,000, whichever is less. Next, deduction under section 80 CCG. Nature of deduction under 80 CCG is interest is equity saving scheme and listed units of equity fund. GTI does not exist within rupees 12 lakh. This is the nature of deduction under section 80 CCG. Now, amount deductible in 80 CCG is 50% of amount investment or rupees 25,000 whichever is less. Next, deduction under section 80D. Nature of deduction under section 80D. Health insurance premium, own span dependent only and children, parents dependent or not, medical checkup or preventive discuss, cash also allowed, medical expenses for super senior citizens. Condition: payment must be made other than cash exempt. Preventive medical checkup, maximum rupees 25,000 for family, rupees 50,000 for parents. This is the nature of deduction under section 80D. Now, amount deductible in 80D. Actual or rupees 25,000 whichever is less. Additional amount rupees 25,000. Actual rupees 25,000 whichever is less. Actual or rupees 5,000 whichever is less. Actual or rupees 50,000 whichever is less. This is the amount deductible in 80D. Next, deduction under section 80DD. Nature of deduction under section 80DD is handicapped treatment, LIC, mutual fund, UTI is also allowed for any dependent other persons. This is the nature of deduction under section 80DD. Now, amount deductible in 80DD is rupees 75,000 fixed for partial disability, rupees 1,25,000 fixed for service disabilities, whatever may be actual amount. This is the amount deductible in 80DD. Next, deduction under section 80DDB. Nature of deduction, treatment of specified disease, own, span, children, parent, any dependent. This is the nature of deduction under section 80DDB. Now, amount deductible in 80DDB is rupees 40,000, rupees 1 lakh for citizen or actual expenditure whichever is less. This is the amount deductible in 80DDB. Next, deduction under section 80E. Nature of deductions under section 80E. Interest on educational loan, own span children's. Next, amount deductible in 80E is actual interest. Deduction is allowed for 8 years. This is the amount deductible in 80E. Thank you everyone.